Forging defects may result from poor quality of the stock or the raw material, incorrect die design, improper heating, incorrect forging conditions, wrong forging methods, uneven cooling of stock after forging, and the list goes on and on. Some of the common defects of forging is listed here. First being cold shuts or laps. Cold shuts or laps are short cracks which usually occur at corners and at right angles to the surface. They are caused by metal surface folding against itself. Next we have pitting. Pitting of the forging surface is caused by scale, which is not removed thoroughly from the die cavities. When this scale is cleaned from the forging, depression remains, which are known as scale pits. This pitting should be avoided as much as possible during manufacture of forging by proper control of furnace and frequent cleaning of dies. Then we have die shift. Die shift is caused by misalignment between the top and bottom forging dies. Next we have dents. Dents are the result of careless work. Basically, this type of forging defect comes into the operator's cost. Then we have hair cracks. These are very fine surface cracks, not exceeding a fraction of a millimeter. This can occur due to defect in metal ingot or too rapid cooling of the forging. Then we have flakes. Flakes are internal breaks or rupture occurring in some grades of alloy steel. They are caused by too rapid cooling from forging temperature. And last but not the least, we have decarburization. If the raw material or the stock is subjected to too high temperature for too long period, it can produce decarburized surface on the forging, particularly in high carbon steels.